Welcome to Tech Shifters. VSCode is great code editor, but it's not perfect high RAM usage, telemetry concerns, and sometimes just too much. Today, we're breaking down 4 powerful alternatives that might suit your workflow better. Let's shift gears. Sublime for speed, VSCodium for privacy, Fleet for AI tools, Neovim for minimalists. Let's dive in. First, why look beyond VS Code? 3 big reasons. 1. Resource heavy. Thanks to Electron, it eats RAM like crazy. 2. Privacy worries. Microsoft's telemetry tracks usage by default. 3. Complex setup. Debugging C++ or tuning extensions. Get ready for JSON configs. Need a lighter, faster, or more private option? Keep watching. 1. Sublime Text. Sublime Text is a high-performance, cross-platform code editor. We discuss detailed breakdown of its features, strengths, weaknesses. Features. Lightweight engine. Native C++ core ensures near-instant startup and smooth handling of large files, example 100 MB, and opens in milliseconds. Low resource usage. Consumes minimal RAM compared to Electron-based editors like VS Code or Atom. Productivity tools. Multiple selections, edit multiple code segments simultaneously. Split editing, view and edit files side by side. Customization and extensibility. Package control, install plugins for Git integration, linters, themes, and language support, example Sublime linter, Git gutter. Cross-platform support. Available on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux with consistent performance. Limitations. Cost barrier, paid license required for persistent use, pop-up reminders in free trial. Limited native tools. Debugging, no built-in debugger, relies on external tools or plugins. Learning curve, package control must be manually installed, confusing for beginners. Declining community, fewer updated plugins due to competition from VS Code. Want VS Code without Microsoft looking over your shoulder? Meet VSCodium. 2. VSCodium. A community-driven, telemetry-free version of Microsoft's VS Code editor. Key features. 100% MIT licensed, pure open source build from VS Code's upstream repository. Identical to VS Code, all core functionality intact, extensions, debugging, IntelliSense. Privacy first, all telemetry/tracking removed, no Microsoft data collection. Cross-platform, Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. But, you'll miss some proprietary tools like the C# debugger. 3. JetBrains Fleet. Core features. Lightweight and modular architecture. Built on a distributed backend, IntelliJ code processing engine, that runs separately from the editor, enabling both local and cloud-based workflows. Need an IDE level upgrade? JetBrains Fleet is like VS Code on steroids. Collaboration tools. Real-time co-editing with shared terminals, debugging sessions, and code reviews. AI-assisted coding. Think Copilot, but built-in. Deep language support. Refactoring Java or Python. Fleet gets it. Drawback? Its pricey subscription starts at $15 per month. Unpolished features, inconsistent Gradle or Java project handling, limited documentation. 4. Neovim. Neovim is a modern, community-driven fork of Vim, 6 improved, designed to enhance extensibility, performance, and developer workflow. Lightweight architecture, built for speed, Neovim starts in 100 milliseconds even with 30+ plugins, outperforming Electron-based editors like VS Code, which takes 4.5s on first boot. Plugin ecosystem. 10,000 plugins via managers like lazy.nvim, enabling features like Language Server Protocol, LSP, integration for code completions. Limitations and criticisms. Steep learning curve. Mastering Vim modes, normal/insert/visual, and key bindings takes weeks. Gaps in tooling. Limited support for GUI-heavy workflows, example Figma, Xcode debugging. No native collaboration.